Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we're going to explore how you can control who can discover your LinkedIn profile using your email address on the LinkedIn mobile app. This setting helps you manage your privacy. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select the visibility option from the menu. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Profile Discovery, using email address. Tap on it to open the available privacy choices. You will see several options such as first-degree connections, first and second-degree connections, or anyone. Select the option that best fits your privacy preferences. For example, if you want only your closest connections to find you, choose first-degree connections. If you're open to being discovered by more professionals, you can choose anyone. Finally, once you've made your selection, the change is automatically saved and applied to your account,